Today, we are going to install and set up the Linux in the Virtualbox environment. First, go to the Virtualbox website and download this software, according to your operating system. I am using Windows 10 operating system, so I will download Windows Installer. Then install this software in your computer. Now, download the Kali Linux from the website kali.org. Click on Download button. Select the Virtualbox environment. Now select the 64-bit installer, then download this file. I have already downloaded this file. Now go to the directory where you downloaded the file. Right-click to extract the file. After the extraction of file, right-click to open the Virtualbox file in blue color. You will see this interface. We don't need to install the Linux. Go down in the description, you will see the username and password, which are Kali. Now click on the settings. Select the bidirectional option here so that you can share the data between your computer to virtual environment machine. You can also change the RAM of your virtual environment. You can also change the allocated processing CPU to your machine. Click on OK to save the settings. Now, click on the Start button to start the Linux machine. Select and press Enter button. Now enter the username, Kali. Enter the password. Now let's change the password. Open the terminal. Type PASSWD, hit enter. Type your current password. Then type new password. OK. We need longer password, so I am trying again. We have successfully changed the password. Let's check out. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.